Adobe CQ5 System Administrator Online Training. Introduction to Adobe CQ5. Adobe CQ5, also known as Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, is a comprehensive content management solution for building websites, mobile apps, and forms. It is a part of the Adobe Marketing Cloud and provides a wide range of features and tools to help organizations deliver a consistent digital experience across all channels. Key features of Adobe CQ5 AEM. Content management. Authoring environment, user-friendly interface for content authors to create, edit, and manage content. Digital asset management, DAM manage and store all digital assets like images, videos, documents, etc. Templates and components, reusable templates and components to ensure consistency and speed up content creation. Site management. Multi-site management, manage multiple websites from a single platform, allowing for content reuse and consistency across sites. Multilingual support, easily create and manage content in multiple languages. Personalization and targeting. User segmentation, create segments based on user behavior, demographics, and other criteria. Personalized content, deliver personalized content to different segments to enhance user experience. Workflow management. Content approval workflows, set up approval workflows to ensure content quality and compliance before publication. Task management, assign tasks to team members and track progress. Integration. Integration with other Adobe solutions, seamless integration with other Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions like Adobe Analytics, Adobe Target, and Adobe Campaign. Third-party integrations, integrate with third-party systems and tools via APIs. Mobile support. Responsive design, build responsive websites that work seamlessly on different devices. Mobile app management, manage and deliver content to mobile apps. Overview of Adobe CQ5 components. Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager or AEM, is a comprehensive content management solution for building websites, mobile apps, and forms. It includes a wide range of components that facilitate the creation, management, and optimization of digital experiences. Here's an overview of the key components of Adobe CQ5 AEM. 1. Authoring environment. WYSIWYG Editor provides a what you see is what you get editing experience for creating and managing content. Page Editor allows users to create and edit web pages using drag-and-drop components. Content Fragments enables the creation and management of structured content that can be reused across different channels. Experience Fragments allows for the reuse of content and layouts across different pages and channels. 2. Components Library. Core components, pre-built, reusable components like text, image, carousel, and form components that are used to build pages. Custom components, user-defined components that can be created to meet specific business needs. 3. Digital Asset Management, DAM. Asset Management provides a central repository for managing digital assets like images, videos, documents, and more. Metadata Management allows the tagging and categorization of assets for better searchability and organization. Smart Tags uses AI to automatically tag assets based on their content. 4. Workflows and automation. Workflow Engine allows for the automation of content publishing processes, including review and approval workflows. Launcher triggers workflows based on specific events or changes in the repository. 5. Personalization and targeting. Context Hub manages user context data to deliver personalized experiences. Targeting Engine delivers personalized content to different audience segments based on their behavior, preferences, and demographics. 6. Forms. Form Builder provides tools for creating and managing forms. Adaptive Forms allows for the creation of responsive forms that adapt to different devices and screen sizes. Form Data Model connects forms to backend data sources for data integration and management. 7. Multi-site management. Blueprints and Live Copy allows for the management of multiple sites with shared content and structure. Language Copy facilitates the creation and management of multilingual sites. Understanding Adobe CQ5 architecture. Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, is a comprehensive content management solution for building websites, mobile apps, and forms. Its architecture is designed to support dynamic digital experiences across various channels. Below is an overview of Adobe CQ5 AEM architecture. 1. Core components of AEM architecture. A. CRX repository. CRX, Content Repository Extreme, is AEM's underlying content repository, built on Apache Jackrabbit and compliant with JCR, Java Content Repository, standards. It stores all content, digital assets, and configuration information. B. Apache Sling. Apache Sling is a web application framework for AEM. It maps request URLs to the corresponding content nodes in the JCR. It supports RESTful principles, making content accessible via URLs. C. OSGI Framework. OSGI, Open Services Gateway Initiative, is a dynamic module system for Java, used for developing modular applications. AEM uses OSGI for modular development, allowing the hot deployment of bundles, modules, without restarting the application. 2. AEM instances. A. Author instance. Used by content authors to create, edit, and manage content. Features workflows, versioning, and other authoring tools. B. Publish instance. Serves the content to end users. Optimized for performance and scalability to handle user traffic. C. Dispatcher. A caching and load balancing tool for AEM. Helps improve performance by caching responses from the publish instance. Can distribute user requests across multiple publish instances for load balancing. Role and responsibilities of Adobe CQ5 System Administrator. As an Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, System Administrator, your role involves overseeing and maintaining the AEM platform to ensure its optimal performance and availability. Your responsibilities typically include system setup and configuration, install and configure AEM instances, author, publish, and dispatcher, Set up and manage the AEM environment, including development, testing, staging, and production environments. Configure replication agents for content distribution between author and publish instances. User management. Manage user accounts, groups, and permissions. Implement and enforce security policies and access controls. Performance monitoring and optimization. Monitor system performance and resource utilization. Identify and resolve performance bottlenecks. Implement caching strategies and optimize the dispatcher configuration. Backup and recovery. Develop and implement backup strategies. Perform regular backups and ensure data integrity. Plan and execute disaster recovery procedures. System maintenance and upgrades. Apply patches and updates to keep the system secure and up-to-date. Plan and execute version upgrades and migrations. Manage system logs and audit trails. Troubleshooting and support. Diagnose and resolve technical issues. Provide support to developers and content authors. Maintain documentation for troubleshooting procedures and resolutions. Configuring Adobe CQ5 for performance. Configuring Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, for performance involves several steps to ensure the system runs efficiently and can handle high loads. Here are some key areas to focus on. 1. Infrastructure optimization. Hardware. Ensure that the hardware, CPU, memory, disk I/O, and network meets the requirements for the expected load. Load balancing. Use load balancers to distribute traffic evenly across multiple AEM instances. Caching. Implement dispatcher caching to reduce load on the AEM server. 2. AEM configuration. Run modes. Use appropriate run modes, author, publish, etc. to configure instances according to their roles. TarMK or MongoMK. Choose the right storage mechanism, TarMK for single-node deployments, MongoMK for clustered environments. Replication agents. Configure replication agents properly to manage content distribution efficiently. 3. Dispatcher configuration. Cache strategy. Optimize cache strategies such as caching HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images. Use invalidation rules to refresh cached content when updates occur. Dispatcher.any. Fine-tune the dispatcher.any configuration file to optimize caching and load balancing. 4. Sling and OSGI configuration. Thread pool configuration. Adjust thread pool settings to manage concurrent request processing efficiently. OSGI bundles. Ensure OSGI bundles are properly configured and unnecessary bundles are deactivated or removed. 5. Content optimization. Minimize client libs. Minimize and concatenate client libraries, CSS, JS, to reduce the number of HTTP requests. Image optimization. Optimize images for web delivery to reduce load times. User management in Adobe CQ5. User management in Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager or AEM, involves managing users, groups, and permissions to control access to different parts of the content management system. Here are the key aspects of user management in AEM. 1. User accounts. Creating users. Admins can create new user accounts through the AEM interface. Each user account includes details like username, password, and profile information. User roles. Users can be assigned different roles based on their responsibilities, such as authors, editors, administrators, and reviewers. 2. Groups. Group creation. Groups are collections of users who share common permissions and roles. Admins can create new groups to manage permissions more efficiently. Assigning users to groups. Users can be added to multiple groups to inherit the permissions and roles of those groups. 3. Permissions. Access control lists. ACL's permissions in AEM are managed using ACLs, which define what actions, read, write, modify, delete, users or groups can perform on specific resources. Granular permissions. Permissions can be set at various levels, including site, page, component, and asset levels, to provide fine-grained control over access. 4. User Management Interface. Touch UI. The modern AEM interface, called Touch UI, provides a user-friendly interface for managing users and groups. Classic UI. The older Classic UI also provides user management features but is being phased out in favor of Touch UI. 5. LDAP integration. External authentication. AEM supports integration with LDAP directories for external user authentication and management. Synchronization. User and group information can be synchronized between the LDAP directory and AEM. Workflow management in Adobe CQ5. Workflow management in Adobe CQ5, now Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, involves creating, managing, and monitoring workflows to automate and streamline content creation, review, and publication processes. Here are some key aspects of workflow management in AEM. 1. Workflow models. Creating workflow models. Use the AEM Workflow Console to create new workflow models that define a sequence of steps. Editing workflow models. Customize workflows by adding, removing, or modifying steps to fit your specific business processes. Types of steps. Workflow steps can be of various types, including process steps, participant steps, and container steps. 2. Workflow launchers. Triggering workflows. Set up workflow launchers to automatically trigger workflows based on specific events, such as content modification or asset upload. Conditions. Define conditions under which workflows are triggered to ensure they only run when necessary. 3. Workflow instances. Starting workflows. Manually start workflows from the AEM Touch UI or Classic UI. Monitoring workflows. Use the Workflow Instances view to monitor the status of active workflows and troubleshoot any issues. Handling work items. Users assigned to workflow steps can view and complete their tasks from the inbox. 4. Customizing workflows. Custom workflow steps. Develop custom workflow steps using AEM's API to handle specific business logic that is not covered by out-of-the-box steps. Scripting. Use ECMA scripts or Java classes to add custom behavior to workflow steps. 5. Workflow reports. Analytics. Generate reports to analyze the performance and efficiency of workflows. Audit trails. Track changes and actions taken during the workflow to ensure accountability and compliance. 6. Integration with other systems. External systems integrate AEM workflows with other enterprise systems like CRM, ERP, or DAM to create a seamless workflow across platforms. RESTful APIs use AEM's RESTful APIs to trigger workflows and interact with them programmatically from external applications. 7. Best practices. Modular workflows create modular and reusable workflow steps to simplify maintenance and updates. Performance optimization. Optimize workflows for performance by minimizing the number of steps and using asynchronous processing where possible. User training. Ensure that users are trained on how to interact with workflows and complete their tasks efficiently. Backup and recovery in Adobe CQ5. Backup and recovery in Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, is crucial for maintaining the integrity and availability of your content and configurations. Here's a detailed guide on how to manage backup and recovery in Adobe CQ5. Backup. Content repository backup. File system backup. Regularly back up the file system where the AEM instance is installed. This includes the CRX Quick Start directory. Online backup. Use the AEM built-in backup feature. This can be done through the AEM web console. Navigate to HTTP localhost 4050 to System Console Jackrabbit File Vault. Use the Create button under the Backup section to initiate an online backup. Custom scripts. You can create custom scripts to back up the repository at scheduled intervals using cron jobs or Windows Task Scheduler. Database backup. If using an external database, ensure regular backups of the database. The method will depend on the specific database, example MySQL, Oracle. Configuration backup. Regularly back up configuration files, which include OSGI configurations, dispatcher configurations, and any custom configurations. Versioning. Enable versioning for content to maintain historical versions. This helps in restoring previous versions of content if needed. Recovery. Restoring from backup. File system restoration. To restore the AEM instance, stop the AEM server, replace the current CRX Quick Start directory with the backed up version, and restart the server. Using AEM console. For online backups, use the Restore button under the Backup section in the AEM web console to restore from a specific backup. Monitoring and troubleshooting Adobe CQ5. Monitoring and troubleshooting Adobe CQ5, also known as Adobe Experience Manager or AEM, involves various tools and techniques to ensure the system runs smoothly and issues are quickly resolved. Here are key aspects to consider. Monitoring Adobe CQ5. System health monitoring. JMX console provides a variety of metrics about the JVM and application health. Adobe AEM status page offers an overview of the system's health, including memory usage, request statistics, and thread usage. Logs and alerts. Use tools like Splunk or Elk Stack to collect, aggregate, and analyze log data from AEM. CRXT Lite allows monitoring of the repository and nodes, checking for inconsistencies and system status. Performance monitoring. Dispatcher flush agent ensures the cache is up to date, minimizing load on the published instances. Heap dumps and thread dumps, useful for identifying memory leaks and threading issues. Monitoring tools like New Relic, AppDynamics, or Dynatrace can provide real-time performance monitoring and alerts. Security monitoring. Audit logs track user activities and access logs for suspicious activities. Security health checks. Regularly run AEM's security health check tools to ensure configurations are secure. Troubleshooting Adobe CQ5. Log analysis. Error logs. Check the error.log file for any exceptions or errors. Access logs. Review request.log for insights into traffic patterns and potential issues. Audit logs. Examine audit.log for user actions and changes in the repository. Performance issues. Thread dumps. Analyze thread dumps during performance issues to identify deadlocks or high CPU usage. Heap dumps. Review heap dumps to find memory leaks or excessive memory consumption. Dispatcher issues. Check dispatcher logs and configurations to ensure proper caching and request handling. Content repository issues. CRXT Lite. Inspect repository nodes for inconsistencies or corruption. Consistency check. Use AEM's built-in consistency check tools to verify the integrity of the repository. Workflow issues. Workflow console. Monitor running workflows and their statuses. Workflow logs. Check logs specific to workflows for errors or delays. Debugging workflows. Enable detailed logging for workflows to capture more information during troubleshooting. Replication issues. Replication logs. Examine logs related to replication agents for errors or delays. Replication agent status. Check the status and queue of replication agents to ensure content is being replicated correctly. Dispatcher troubleshooting. Dispatcher logs. Review logs to identify issues with caching and request handling. Cache invalidation. Ensure the dispatcher is correctly invalidating and refreshing cached content. User and permission issues. User Management Console. Review and manage user permissions and roles. Access control logs. Check logs for access control violations or permission-related errors. Tools and best practices. Monitoring tools. Use enterprise monitoring solutions like Nagios, Zabbix, or custom scripts for real-time monitoring. Regular audits. Perform regular audits of the system, configurations, and security settings. Automated alerts. Set up automated alerts for critical issues like high CPU usage, low memory, or replication failures. Documentation. Maintain thorough documentation of the system setup, configurations, and common troubleshooting steps. Integrating Adobe CQ5 with other systems. Integrating Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager or AEM, with other systems typically involves leveraging its robust APIs and connectors. Here are some common integration points and methods. API integration. AEM provides RESTful APIs that allow you to interact with its content repository, manage users, and perform various content-related operations programmatically. Adobe Marketing Cloud Integration (AEM) integrates seamlessly with other Adobe Marketing Cloud products like Adobe Analytics, Adobe Target, and Adobe Campaign. This integration enables personalized content delivery, analytics-driven optimizations, and targeted marketing campaigns. Third-party systems integration (AEM) supports integration with various third-party systems such as CRM platforms, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, e-commerce platforms, Magento, Shopify, and other enterprise systems through RESTful APIs, web services, or custom connectors. Adobe Creative Cloud Integration for creative workflows, AEM can integrate with Adobe Creative Cloud, allowing seamless asset management, version control, and content creation. Event-driven architecture AEM supports event-driven architectures using Adobe's Event Hub, enabling real-time data synchronization and event-driven workflows across different systems. Custom workflow integration AEM allows customization of workflows and integration with enterprise workflow engines like Apache Kafka or ActiveMQ for handling complex business processes. Authentication and security integration with enterprise authentication systems, LDAP, SAML, and security frameworks ensures secure access to AEM resources and content. What is Adobe CQ5 and why is it important for content management? Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, is a comprehensive content management solution designed to help businesses manage their websites, mobile apps, forms, and other digital assets. Here's why it's important for content management. Unified Platform AEM provides a unified platform where digital assets, web content, and mobile content can be managed centrally. This makes it easier for organizations to maintain consistency across different channels. Content authoring and workflow It offers robust tools for content authors to create, edit, and publish content without needing technical expertise. Workflow capabilities allow for review and approval processes, ensuring content quality and compliance. Personalization and targeting AEM integrates with Adobe Target for personalizing content based on user behavior and preferences, enhancing user engagement and conversion rates. Multi-channel content delivery. It supports delivery of content across various channels including websites, mobile apps, email, and social media platforms, ensuring a seamless user experience. Analytics and insights. AEM provides built-in analytics to track content performance, user interactions, and campaign effectiveness. This data helps in optimizing content strategy and improving ROI. Integration capabilities. It integrates well with other Adobe products like Adobe Analytics, Adobe Campaign, and Adobe Creative Cloud, enabling a comprehensive digital marketing ecosystem. Scalability and customization. AEM is highly scalable, making it suitable for enterprises with complex content management needs. It also offers extensive customization options to tailor the platform to specific business requirements. What are the core components of Adobe CQ5? Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, consists of several core components that together enable robust content management and digital experience delivery. Here are the main components. Authoring environment. This is where content editors create, edit, and manage content. It provides a user-friendly interface for managing web pages, digital assets, and workflows. Digital Asset Management DAM, a central repository for managing digital assets such as images, videos, documents, etc. DAM in AEM allows for easy search, metadata management, and version control of assets. Workflow Management AEM provides a powerful workflow engine to automate content approval processes, publishing workflows, and other business processes related to content management. Publishing Environment This is where content is published to various channels, websites, mobile apps, etc. AEM allows for multi-channel publishing and supports different deployment models, example cloud-based, on-premise. Forms AEM Forms, formerly Adobe LiveCycle, allows for the creation, management, and deployment of electronic forms across different channels. It integrates with backend systems for data integration and processing. Personalization and targeting AEM includes capabilities for personalizing content based on user behavior, demographics, and other criteria. It integrates with Adobe Target for A/B testing and targeted content delivery. Analytics Integration Integration with Adobe Analytics, formerly Omniture, provides insights into user behavior, content performance, and digital marketing effectiveness. This helps in optimizing content and campaigns. Multi-site management AEM supports managing multiple websites or digital properties from a single instance, enabling centralized content management and consistent branding across different sites. Mobile and responsive design AEM includes features for creating and managing mobile-friendly content and responsive web designs, ensuring optimal user experience across devices. Integration Framework AEM provides extensive integration capabilities with other Adobe Marketing Cloud solutions like Adobe Target, Adobe Campaign, and third-party systems through APIs, connectors, and custom integrations. Why choose ProExcellency for Adobe CQ5 System Administrator Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for Adobe CQ5 System Administrator Online Training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise and experience ProExcellency likely offers training conducted by experienced professionals who have deep knowledge of Adobe CQ5, now known as Adobe Experience Manager, and its administration. This ensures you receive high-quality, practical training that aligns with industry standards. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are typically designed to cover all aspects of Adobe CQ5 system administration, from basics to advanced topics. This can include installation, configuration, maintenance, troubleshooting, and best practices. Hands-on learning. They may provide hands-on labs or practical exercises, which are crucial for gaining real-world skills in managing Adobe CQ5 environments effectively. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of scheduling. You can learn at your own pace and from any location, making it convenient for professionals with busy schedules. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency may offer training that prepares you for Adobe Certified Expert (ACE) exams in Adobe Experience Manager, validating your skills and enhancing your career prospects. Support and resources. They might provide access to additional resources such as study materials, recordings of sessions, and support forums to enhance your learning experience. Thank you.